The 2026 Toyota RAV4 continues to build on everything that has made it one of the most popular SUVs in the United States, and honestly, it still feels like Toyota really understands what everyday drivers actually want. From the outside, the new RAV4 doesn't go for anything overly flashy or futuristic, but it does carry a more refined and slightly bolder look compared to previous models. The front grille feels a bit sharper, the LED headlights look more modern, and overall, the design still keeps that rugged yet clean SUV character that so many American buyers love. It's the kind of vehicle that looks just as comfortable parked in a suburban driveway as it does heading out on a weekend road trip. Step inside, and you immediately notice how practical everything feels. Toyota hasn't tried to overcomplicate the cabin, which is actually a good thing. The layout is clean, easy to understand, and built around everyday usability. The infotainment system is larger and more responsive now, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto coming standard in most trims, which makes staying connected effortless. The materials inside feel solid, and while it may not be as luxurious as some premium SUVs, it definitely gives you a sense of durability and long-term reliability, which is something Toyota is known for. The seats are comfortable, especially for long drives, and there's plenty of headroom and legroom both in the front and back, making it a great choice for families or even just daily commuting. When it comes to performance, the 2026 RAV4 focuses more on efficiency and smooth driving rather than aggressive power, which fits perfectly with its purpose. The standard engine is expected to be a reliable 4-cylinder, while the hybrid version continues to be one of the biggest highlights. The hybrid system delivers a really nice balance of power and fuel efficiency, and in real-world driving, you can expect around 35 to 40 miles per gallon combined, which is impressive for an SUV in this class. On the road, the RAV4 feels easy to drive, whether you're navigating through city traffic or cruising on the highway. The steering is light but controlled, and the suspension does a good job absorbing bumps, making everyday driving comfortable and stress-free. One thing that stands out about the RAV4 is how practical it is in daily life. The cargo space is generous, easily handling groceries, luggage, or even gear for a road trip. The rear seats fold down smoothly to give you even more room when needed, which adds to its versatility. Technology and safety are also strong points here. Toyota includes its latest safety suite with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, which are especially useful for long highway drives in the US. These features don't feel complicated to use either, which makes a big difference for everyday drivers. Another thing worth mentioning is the reliability factor. Toyota has built a strong reputation over the years, and the RAV4 continues to carry that forward. It's the kind of SUV you can depend on for years without worrying too much about major issues, which is a huge reason why it remains so popular. Overall, the 2026 Toyota RAV4 doesn't try to be something it's not. It's not the most luxurious, and it's not the fastest SUV out there, but it delivers exactly what most people need: comfort, efficiency, reliability, and practicality. For anyone in the US looking for a dependable and well-rounded SUV that fits into everyday life without any hassle, the RAV4 still stands out as one of the smartest choices in its segment.